A lot of you asked about Sagar creative video on email marketing. How do you approach email marketing? How do you make sales in email marketing? So I'll be talking about the two specific campaign that we commonly use in any platform, irrespective of any platform or tools. I'll be talking about the very core concept of email marketing. Ready for it? So what are the specific types of email marketing campaigns that we do? Okay. So the first type is we do a broadcast where you just having your audience, specific audience, you just send them whenever you want. You can schedule a broadcast for a later date or time, or you can do it right away. Second type of email marketing is autoresponder sequence, where you can set a autoresponders like 2-3 sequence, and whenever there is a trigger and some trigger happens based on those campaigns, and this sequence will start like maybe immediate the moment somebody sign up for your webinar. So the moment they will get an email after 1 hour, after 1 day, 2 days. So you can do that. So let's dive into these two core concepts of email marketing. When it comes to broadcast, what type of broadcast basically that you do, you can do as a coach. First is a value email. Now, what kind of value email that you can do? So I'll be talking about based on my experience, what I do and what I've observed from a lot of marketers across the world. And just to give you one quick hack is my best email marketing lesson that I learned from my competitors, from the other marketers. I've never found any good email marketing course, but the best learning happens by observing somebody else's email. And I keep on creating one folder to get some ideas and inspiration. They are the best teachers for me when it comes to email marketing. So when it comes to value email, the first type of email that you can just write a simple text, no image, nothing, no call to action, just a heartfelt connection building. Because email marketing is a very personalized channel that you can really connect with your audience heart to heart. So just imagine, when did you actually change your email? I remember I created email back in 2007 while I was doing my 10th and 12th, and after that I never changed a lot. I created some official purpose, but my Yahoo email, my Gmail, this all created before 2010 itself, right? It's been 15-16 years and still I have not changed, and I'm using those emails. People really would check it out, your email, so do not ignore this email marketing things. I know some of you might have this question that Sagar, my audience are so and so, they don't do email. I would say one thing: the people whenever even buy a phone, they need email. They need to do some OTP related stuff. They need an email. I know there are some niches that has a less open rate, but email marketing is an evergreen channel and cost effective channel for you to market. Second thing is some tips you give. You give some tips around your niche. Third thing is maybe you are sending your YouTube video. Maybe you launch a YouTube video, then you can send them. That is also value email. Fourth is a weekly newsletter. You can talk about what's happened in this week, maybe any resources that you want to share. That is a newsletter. Second thing is a promotional offer. Now, when it comes to offer, there are different types of offer that you can give to your audience. Month-end offer, Black Friday offer, financial year-end offer, XYZ offer. Because even in India, if you see like every single month there is some kind of festival is coming in. You can create a Rakhi offer, Dasera offer, or anniversary offer. So many offers that you can create, right? Create as many as offers because people need bahana to buy product from you. But you need to create that offer in front of them. And I've seen because of this Black Friday offer, I got a lot of people who upgraded to my premium level coaching program. Other upgrade offer, like maybe you can do one month-end option to upgrade to level 1 to level 2 or level 2 to level 3. You have a value ladder, right? So maybe your low ticket of people have got value for 1 month. You can ask them to upgrade to the higher level coaching program to get more support. These are promotions or offer that you can send them an email and you blast your email. And I remember my fastest sale was 7 minutes of sending an email. Like I just sent an offer email and people started buying it. Third is a reminder for non-paid list. Non-paid list means like somewhere you run ads or maybe from your social media promotions, anything that people join for your webinar or workshop, that is you send to new people, right? Your upcoming campaigns. This type of reminder that you can send them through broadcast messages. Old webinar list, like people maybe attended or could not attend or missed for some reasons, you can also send previous day webinars also. Okay, normally whenever I do broadcast of any of my webinar, I send them reminder to all the members, whoever part of my non-paid list. Do not send a paid list because there is an option, whether it is your ConvertKit or any other tool, exclude the paid member. Fourth is reminder paid list. Kind of reminder you will send to your paid customer. It can be for your weekly coaching call. or like a hackathon or some kind of live strategy session that you are delivering. Like I do 30-day challenge where 4 week I teach a specific topic. So for that also I send a reminder. So for hackathon or inner circle call that you can do. Hackathon means like your coaching call, your specific topic that you are teaching. Inner circle call for my Q&As or accountability. Fifth type of broadcast is nurture broadcast. What kind of nurture broadcast that you can send them? A specifically that I do right now is a case study. There are a lot of other ways of nurturing your students, giving a screenshot. So these are the things that can help your audience to nurture. You are clear about the broadcast. Now coming towards the autoresponder sequence. What kind of autoresponder? Where it will be automatically sent to them. Okay. The first thing is webinar sign up sequence. So webinar sign up sequence, like the moment people sign up, the first thing they will be getting something like thank you. So I'm giving you some example of subject line so that you can create a specific email about that. Thank you email or save the date or welcome. This is the first set of sequence they will be getting the moment they register, and it should be go from your site immediately, not after 1 day. So check out your tool that it is immediately or not, because some tools they by default after 1 day. So that's why for that reason sometimes people don't get email. And deliver all the bonuses and workbook that you have committed or maybe communicated to your audience while they register for your webinar. Second thing is okay, I'm talking about the sequence, like 4 sequence. There are 5 sequence you can put, 10 sequence you can put, but ideally 3 to 4. The second sequence what you need to send them is all you need to know about this topic or this webinar. Okay? Organic marketing webinar, so that you can discuss about like same date after 1 hour. Like the moment they register, after 1 hour or half an hour, based on your settings that you can think of, you can send them. Third thing is like why me? Here is the part of ETR comes, like why you are the right person to teach this topic, why me, or why you should learn from me, why Sagar. These are the things that you can actually put it on a headline and create a good message or email message, little bit about backstory, little about your credibility, so the people will know that okay, this person that I'm going to learn is like really right person for my problem. Fourth, follow on social media. Like you should make them follow as soon as they also get into your email list. Why it is very important is people should get nurtured through the social media, so that they know, okay, I signed up for his webinar recently. So if you're consistent on social media, do not forget to ask them to follow on specific social media that you are active, because people get nurtured by watching your previous videos, YouTube videos. And you can imagine by the time they come and join your webinar, it will be very powerful way to convert them. So hope you get some conversion strategy also. Second is paid member sequence. Paid member sequence means the moment people pay you money, what kind of sequence do you need to send them? The first thing that I send them is welcome to community. I send them onboarding link. Please fill out this onboarding form so that I will get to know more about you. Then share them community link, whether it's a WhatsApp group, Telegram group, or a Facebook group, wherever you are having a conversation with your audience, paid audience, send them that link. Also give them a course access link. That is going to help you. Okay, next step is the path, how they will start learning, where to start. People get confused that okay, there are a lot of courses, I don't know where to start. So do not do this mistake of not communicating that, because the more you make them clear about the path, the more they will be happy to stay connected. They will be also upgrading. So make sure you need to very much clear about your learning path, your student learning path, and action path. Okay. Third thing is third mail that you can send them, like onboarding call. Where we will, if you having specific weekly onboarding call for all the new students, highly recommend send them an email and add them in a sequence that okay, here is the recurring maybe specific date or set day where people can understand about the more about and ask some question about the courses. Okay. And the third autoresponder sequence, that is the free course. I don't really actively use this, but if you are one who would like to send some lead magnet, whether it's ebook or a free course, I have done it free course. So I've just kept two. One thing is welcome to this free course. I send them also my webinar link, and also the second option that I do, because I use Jeller software where it messages me, it give me a reminder that person who has started this free course has completed. The moment they complete, there is another mail will trigger. That is the like powerful email sequence that you can send them so that people will buy your next paid program. So these are the cool things that we discussed. We discussed about the broadcast, we discussed about the autoresponder sequence, and this is highly beneficial for all coach. And there are a lot of other strategies are there, but this is a basic and common thing that is required for any coach and trainers when it comes to nurturing their audience and sending in broadcasts, sending in offers. And I know a lot of people, they use emails, but they don't know how to approach it. I hope this video will definitely give you a clarity about it. Do not just buy a yearly plan and just keep your tool ideal. I highly recommend if you're a coach, you should use this tool called ConvertKit, which is one of the best tools that I ever used. There are a lot of other tools, they just do some false promises. That's the reason why I have asked not to use any other tools, because ConvertKit is something that created only for creators and coaches. So use it. I'll be putting my affiliate link if you want to sign up for any ConvertKit software. Thank you so very much, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates about this type of valuable lessons. And I would highly recommend you to implement it and let me know in the comment box, because this is content that I've shared is from my premium coaching program, and I want all of you to use it in a right way so that it will be helping me to that I know that I'm living my mission. I'm living that what actually I care for.